looking at actual Velcro straps. Not fake ones, but the actual real thing. And this pack contains 3 of them. They're pretty strong, though a bit thin. These would actually be for tying up computer components and things like that. So let's see if we've got something I can tie up. Maybe I want to tie up this battery for some reason. Maybe I want to stick a pin in it. And there we have something strapped up for no reason whatsoever. I can try these 3 USB things. Let's see if I can strap these together. Nope. That's not working. It works kind of. So overall I would give these an A+.